Hi everyone! When you have androgenetic alopecia and you deal with hair loss, you have to fight a major physical complex that can be difficult to live with. There are today real solutions to fight this problem, like for instance hair prosthesis like toppers and wigs. However, taking the decision to wear for the first time a hair topper or a wig is difficult for a woman. So the woman will ask herself when it is a good moment to use this kind of solution. For instance, you can ask yourself if it's better to use a hair topper when you have a very small alopecia, or if it's better to consider it when your alopecia is very massive, because it will be obviously the good moment. It's my cat. When your alopecia is very visible and you really need it at this moment. I will tell you a little bit about my story that maybe you already know if you saw my other videos. My alopecia was diagnosed at the age of 20 by a dermatologist. So it was really difficult for me at this time to realize what will happen, but what I can say to you is that with the years coming, the complex was bigger and bigger. At the age of maybe 27, my scalp became a bit visible. I have a hair topper here, so this is why. But you can see my scalp became a bit visible, and it was very difficult for me to hide my alopecia with some hairstyle or even with powder that you can put on your scalp to cover your alopecia. At the age of 30, it was almost impossible to hide it. And I realized one day that one of my young colleagues was looking at my scalp here while I was talking at the coffee break, and it was a huge humiliation for me. So this moment when my alopecia became visible by other people was the moment I decided to move on and use hair toppers solution. When I discuss with Comme Diadem customers, I often see that a lot of women are navigating through a huge complex with alopecia and are very suffering a lot. So my advice would be to not wait for alopecia to have a huge negative impact on your self-esteem and on your quality of life. As I just told you, the trigger for the decision to switch to hair topper for me was to realize that my alopecia was visible by other people than me. But I think the real trigger should be when you feel that your self-esteem is very bad because you're alopecia, because we have real solutions, real natural solutions, as you can see, and it's too bad to wait for several years being sad about your alopecia, because you have real solution that you can use like this. It's important to realize that the level of psychological impact is not proportional to your alopecia. I can see by discussing with Comme Diadem customers that sometimes some women with a very small alopecia that I cannot even see myself, are very suffering a lot about their alopecia, and on the contrary, I can see women with extensive alopecia that are a bit still okay with it and that can wait maybe 6 months or 1 year or 2 years later to be ready to use a hair topper. So the good moment is not a thing to calculate mathematically. It's more about how you feel. So my advice would be to listen to yourself and to not wait to be very miserable because of your alopecia to consider this kind of solution. Also, one thing that can be important, I think, is that when you still have moderate alopecia, the moment you will choose to use a hair topper for the first time will not make a huge transition between your alopecia and the fact that you have hair. If you wait a moment, and you can, when you have a alopecia that is very massive, the transition will be more visible by other people, so you maybe will have to explain yourself about why you were almost bald Friday and why on Monday you have a lot of hair. And sometimes women are not ready to explain that they are wearing hair prosthesis. So when your alopecia is not very visible, or you still have hair, I think it's a better moment, because the transition will be more easy between the moment you have your hair but a bit of alopecia, that maybe people notice, but they are not thinking, yes, this girl is bald. When they just notice that you have a bit of hair loss, one day you come with more hair and they don't realize. It's like a man that is with barb and come with no barb. They cannot really see the difference of hair density. But if you wait that your alopecia is obvious to other people, obviously when you have hair they will understand everything. It's not a problem, but you have to take this thing into consideration. So this cat, as you can see, has more hair than me, and I think it's not fair at all. You also have to understand that switching to hair topper, wig or hair prosthesis in general are a real psychological change, so it's not that easy. So it's important to be really ready in your head. Sorry, it's my cat. For instance, for me, it took 4 years to be ready. So it's important to really think about it. If you need to discuss with me, you can of course DM me on Instagram or with email on my website here, and I will answer to all your questions. But it's important to not precipitate, to not go too quickly, because your hair will never come back. It's important to understand that it's hair topper with some constraint. I'm not sure about the word, I will write it if it's not the good, but hair prosthesis is a prosthesis, it's not your hair. So it's really important to understand this deeply, that you will never have your hair back because you have a hair topper. It will not be your hair, it will maybe not even be the exact same color, the exact same density, the exact way you were hairstyling your hair before. You have to understand this. Trying a topper for the first time is already a huge step in the process. You have to know that with Command Them you can return the product. Don't hesitate to see the return policy on the website, but if you are in Europe, you can return the product with 100% reimbursement. And if you are outside of European Union, sorry, English is not my word, it's not my mother language, you can have a credit store that you can use on the website to change by another color or something else if you made some mistake. So if you try a topper with Command Them for the first time, you have to understand that it's already a huge step that you made to go forward. So it's already good. And if you need some advices because you are not sure how to put the topper, don't hesitate to DM me on Instagram or on the website. I will answer to all your questions when you have your products on your head and you want some advices. And if the product is not suitable for you, as I told you, you can send it back, and I will advise you how to change it if you need to change it, or will refund you if it's what you want. So if you tried a topper for the first time, it is already a big step in the process to accept your alopecia. And if the topper is not okay for you because you are not ready, it's not a problem. Maybe this topper that you don't accept today will be perfect for you in 6 months or in 1 year. I already had some women that send me back the product and 1 year later buy the exact same product because they told me, Laura, I was not ready, but now I know that the topper is good quality, that the topper was actually okay for me, so can you send me please the exact same that I ordered 6 months before or 1 year before? And I said okay, it's perfect, because you have also to understand that it's a process that can take months or years to be ready. It's not something that is common to wear a hair prosthesis. It's something that is difficult. It's something that is psychologically difficult and important to take in consideration. You cannot just say it's like just an elastic that you put on your hair. It's not true. It's something that you need to be ready for. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you liked it. Don't hesitate to comment, to like, to subscribe if you want to see my videos. I have other English videos that you can see on my channel on the section English videos about hair toppers and wigs. And please don't hesitate to ask me your questions on Instagram or Facebook or my website. And see you soon for my next video.